Hello all, this video is for the students who wish to pursue LLM Executive in the year 2025-2026. You can find all the basic details regarding the course and application form and exam dates on the website of MNLU. In addition to that, you can also watch my previous video. But today I'm here to answer some of your questions which people keep on asking me. First one is about placement. Now this LLM Executive course is for the people who are already working or who are judges or lawyers practicing in any court, or also the students who are preparing for competitive examinations. So most of the people who opt for this course are not looking forward to get any kind of placement, but their main goal is to complete their master's degree alongside their job or service. So basically the answer would be no, college does not provide any kind of placement opportunities. However, I would say that if you are planning to start practicing in courts such as Bombay High Court, this would be a great option for you because this course is designed in such a way that it would not burden you. Even if the submissions, the hours of lectures, and the examinations are similar to regular LLM, all of this is conducted only on Saturday and Sundays. Another important thing which I would like to point out is that the exam pattern over here is not something which you might have experienced during your UG from universities such as Pune University, Mumbai University. Here, most of the questions are analytical questions. So whatever you will be learning, understanding, and discussing in the classroom, you will just have to remember, analyze those things, and write down your opinion regarding the question that has been asked to you. So here I have shared some of the question papers to you. I'll also share my answer sheet, and professors show us these papers and point out the area of improvement. So finally I would say that the course curriculum, exam pattern, and most importantly professors over here are very brilliant, and thus the lectures are very interactive and informative at the same time. So at times it might become hectic for you because you would be working in weekdays and then Saturday, Sunday you will be having lectures for almost whole day. But at the same time, you'll also enjoy this process a lot, learn a lot more new things, get a new perspective to think about different laws in the society. And if you love Constitution of India like me and opt for constitutional law as a specialization, trust me, you will love it even more once you complete this course. So fill out the application form before the last date, appear for the exam, all the best. And if you have any questions, please write in the comment box or contact me on Telegram or email. Thank you.